All right, guys, we are going to turn this pile of bicycle parts into a functioning E-Trike in 3, 2, 1. And there we go. It's built. Pretty cool, huh? Now I have some more pieces to attach, and then we'll be back. Hi guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori, and I have a bike review for you today. It is the Tiniover Creek electric trike with the passenger kit included. So you can put a full-size child or adult back here. You got your full-size adult up here with an adjustable backrest, Shimano gears, brakes, and all the like. So let's do a little test drive and see how she goes. All right, here's a little close-up of the Creek Pro Passenger electric trike for 2 adults or seniors. The retail right now is $2,048. That includes that passenger kit with the back seat. It has adjustable arms. It's very stable. I really enjoyed sitting back there, actually. Child, adult, if you have a kid back there, you can always add like a little seat belt to it. This is the Creek Pro. It has a 1,200 watt peak or 750 watt rated motor. The speed will go up to 22 miles an hour with some adjustments. The battery is a 48 volt 200 or 20 amp lithium cell. It goes 80 to 100 miles depending. The payload is 550 pounds. Like, you can haul some stuff on this. There's triple mechatronic parking, hydraulic brakes. It goes in reverse, guys. You got 7-gear Shimano. The special features, you have a torque sensor, a triple hydraulic brake, reverse mode, cruise control, hill parking, startup password, dual lock frame folding. It is portable, speed differential, anti-tip assistant wheels in the back, an electric horn, handlebars, seat brackets, and it is fully adjustable. Now the back seat on there that you'll see is an add-on. It comes standard with just a basket in the back and the front. I love that front basket. If you choose to do the add-ons, it's all individual. You can also turn this into a cargo trike, so it will 100% carry cargo. Now, the rider fit is somebody from 4'7" to 6'7". It is very adjustable. For adults and seniors, it's really great if you have mobility issues, any type of limited mobility really, because it's such a low step through to get onto the trike. The handlebars can be fully adjusted. And there's lots of modifications that can happen. You have the rear basket, you have a backrest, so if you want to be able to lean back, you have that passenger seat, a cargo rack. It comes unassembled. If you saw in the beginning, you do have to put the front wheels on and the 2 back wheels. You put the basket on, you put the fenders on. There's all types of adjustments that you can make. There I'm showing you the computer where you can set your password, your speed. You can change your gears. That thumb holder over there will let you go into cruise control. I mean, it is a fantastic trike. She's a little heavy, I'm not going to lie, but definitely worth it, especially if you go camping in the summer or you live out somewhere where you want to go to the grocery store or you want to take a kid for a ride or go pick up some stuff, or you're out on the farm and you got to go pick up some produce. The battery does lock in place, but it also comes out, so you can take it in the house and charge it up, so you don't have to bring the bike in and you don't have to bring power out. Also, bring your battery in the winter. I think it helps. I'm not sure if that's official or not. What I'm showing you now is a close-up of that back end. That is the cargo passenger kit. You still have a back basket. Without that seat on and transfer to the different kit, you can just have a cargo basket. There is your pedals and your chain. The chain is very strong. She's got some get up and go, and this girl will ride. So, if this is something you're interested in, definitely check the description box below for a link so you can get your own. All right, I have it in gear 2, and in second gear, top speed is 5 miles per hour, pedal assist. So you can either push the pedals, turn the pedals with your feet, however fast that you would like, and you will go up to 5 miles an hour. If I put it in third gear, it will go up to 13 miles per hour. Ooh, sorry about that. If you put it in third gear, it will go up to 13 miles per hour, which obviously is a little faster, but just depends how fast you want to go. You can pedal along like I'm doing, or I'm not pedaling now and I'm just hitting the throttle, and it will keep me going 5 miles per hour, which is great if you're just taking a stroll out on, a trail or whatever. We're gonna put it in third now. And I'm in third gear, and I am at 12 miles an hour on a bumpy road. This is fun, guys, and you can bring a passenger along.